Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, turn off Bluetooth on your phone or Mac, stop audio playback, and inspect each AirPod. If you see wax or lint, brush gently with a soft bristled brush. Dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl for stubborn grime, but avoid liquid inseams. Once done, place both AirPods in their case, close the lid, and wait 30 seconds. This clears physical obstructions that lower perceived volume and primes the next steps for a proper reset and firmware handoff. Next, reset and align software. Open the case near your iPhone, then press and hold the setup button on the back for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber and then white. Reconnect the AirPods. Make sure your device has no volume limit, set EQ to off in music settings, and, if available, choose the higher quality Bluetooth codec. To push firmware updates, leave the AirPods in the charged case next to an internet-connected iPhone and keep them plugged in overnight. Finish by repairing the AirPods and testing audio across apps and sources. Louder test tones reveal whether issue is app-specific. If one side still sounds quieter, go to Accessibility and toggle mono audio, then check left-right balance. Make sure it sits centered. Once everything is set, run another reset if problems persist. Troubleshooting tip. If volume remains low after cleaning, resets, firmware, and settings checks, contact Apple support or an authorized repair. Hardware
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.